Here's what happened in the CAE and cybersecurity community during the month of October. I am proud to announce under the newest grant funding cycle, we now have a total of 4 national centers. Our newest additions are the Candidates and Peer Review National Center at Whatcom Community College in Washington, the Career Preparation National Center at Norwich University in Vermont, and the Education Pathway National Center at Moraine Valley Community College in Illinois. California State University San Bernardino's Inside CSUSB writes about the campus's Cybersecurity Center and interviews Dr. Vincent Nessler, the director of the Cybersecurity Center. He comments that their main goal is to provide the training and experiences necessary to create a brand new generation of cybersecurity leaders and specialists. Check out the Inside CSUSB article in the description to read more. The University of North Texas plans for the 2022 through 2023 academic year to recruit new faculty for positions in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. They are eager to hire candidates who specialize in vast areas of computer science, including artificial intelligence, data science, computer networking, and cybersecurity. Applicants who are interested can apply at facultyjobs.unt.edu. Dakota State University has begun the planning stages for its Development Workshop Series. Part of the planning process involves a survey sent to members of the CAE community that allows them to vote on topics they'd like to see. After the results are collected, DSU will begin scheduling workshops around the country for spring and summer of 2023. The survey link can be found below in the description. To continue to promote diversity within the National Center of Academic Excellence in Cybersecurity, the program will create a President's Council. This council will align with the values and efforts created by the program to help ensure that all voices and aspects are heard and given the opportunity to pave the way for a national cybersecurity education. If you're interested, scan the QR code to begin the form. And that's it for the month of October in the CAE and cybersecurity community. To keep up with our latest news and activities, visit our website at caecommunity.org or like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to see what we're up to.